guys, we are back again after a long time, and this is round two, right?
Yeah.
Round two of our question answer round. And first of all, yes, I mean, both of us would love to thank all you guys.
A massive thank you to each of you for love, for giving us love and support.
Yes, because we got, we got 1K
Above
views.
1K views.
Yeah, we
Only
got,
for you all, guys.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you. And this is round
2.
Round two. So, yes, what's your plan, Chumanjana?
So my plan is to ask you some interesting questions.
Okay, interesting questions. But this time, I'm going to ask you questions too. Be prepared for that.
Okay.
All right. The battle is on. All right. So, okay, so let's get started.
So the first question to my mom is, who is your favorite artist of all time?
My all-time favorite artist.
Like the artist of 1990s.
Okay, yes. All right. So, my all-time favorite artist is definitely Whitney Houston. Yes, you've heard of Whitney Houston. Yes.
She's great.
Yeah, she's great, and she's no more with us. So she's my all-time favorite artist, and her songs, I mean, they were lovely. What amazing vocal performances! Such was her, I mean, her personality on the stage. Her live shows were just, I mean, out of this world. But yes, she was. I mean, she was out. I mean, she was a total singer. She was not a performer. That's right. I mean, she would not be dancing and all that. And my second very favorite complete artist is
MJ.
Michael Jackson. Yes, MJ. Yes.
I knew.
Yeah, Michael Jackson, his moonwalking, his breakdance, and whatever. And yes, if you hear, I mean, the little boy Michael Jackson's songs, yes, some of you, I mean, some of them you have heard with me,
Yeah,
right?
Thriller.
No, Thriller. I mean, Thriller came out. I mean, when he was a young man. I'm talking about the boy Michael Jackson. So they started out as a small group of I mean boys. They were
Wow, moonwalking.
no, there were some five brothers, and they started
that
as
I
a
know.
band. Jackson
That
Five.
I know.
Yes. So Michael Jackson is also a very favorite artist. And then, yes, of course, Mariah Carey, then Shania Twain. Shania Twain, I just love her voice also. And then, yes, of course, Celine Dion. And then the Beatles, Paul McCartney, John Lennon. And Phil Collins is also another very favorite singer. Then I also love Madonna. The very glamorous and stylish singer. Also, yes. Yeah, these.
And Backstreet Boys?
Yes, of
How
course.
can you forget them?
Oh, yes. Right.
They are just amazing. I mean,
Yes.
I just love them.
And they are still rocking.
Yeah.
They are still rocking the whole
In 2020.
world. Yes, of course. Yes. How can I forget Backstreet Boys? Definitely.
And they will also.
Yeah.
And they will also. What is age? Age is just a number.
Age is just a number.
Yes.
That's true. Yes. So who is your favorite member of Backstreet Boys band? Tell us.
Well, I guess Nick Carter.
Nick Carter. Right, true. And
I am crazy for him.
yeah.
Like half dead.
Oh yes. So even I love Nick Carter and AJ. Yes, AJ McLean and Brian.
Yeah.
Definitely. And how can I forget Brian Adams? Yeah. Here I am, everything I do. Summer of '69. Oh wow, how can I forget Brian Adams? All right, so these. And of course Adele.
Yeah.
Adele. Wonderful singer. Okay, so next question.
So your next question goes like, oh, okay. So your next question goes like, okay.
What is it?
So like, don't get me wrong, but did you like ever have any crush on any artist or maybe any actor? Just like I.
You have a crush. Yes, I know. Yes, I know on whom you
Don't tell.
have a serious mad crush. Yes, I know that. And yes, even I had my crush. Yes, I had a great crush on George Michael. Yes, he was a member of the band Wham, and then of course he became a solo artist. And I was a huge fan of George Michael. I had this big poster of George Michael on my on the door of my room.
Oh,
Yeah, and he wearing a cross on the ear, on one ear. He was wearing a cross, kind of a dangler earring, and with his black glasses
did
on.
you buy any merchandise of?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, poster.
Oh,
Yeah, I had a poster. I wanted to have a T-shirt with George Michael written. His his face on it, but I didn't. Yes,
you
I couldn't
can't.
get that. I couldn't get that. But this poster I had, yes, poster and a songbook, a collection of all the George Michael songs. Yeah, I had a huge crush on George, that teenage crush. And shall I tell the friends the name of your crush? No.
No,
Okay, it's a big secret. All right. Next,
don't think about it.
you want me to sing?
No, I want to hear you sing, and not I. All of us want to hear you sing any song,
Come closer.
any song of what can I give you? Any
George Michael.
song of George Michael or Michael Jackson or anything.
Okay, you come closer in the frame. People can't see you. Okay.
No, they
So,
can sing. They can sing.
so George Michael. Yeah. Okay, a few lines from George Michael's song. So, have you heard of this song called "Careless Whispers"? You've
Yes,
heard.
obviously.
Yes, you've heard.
I've heard
So,
many times from
okay,
him.
so just a few lines, 3 or 4 lines from the song. Okay, so let's wait. Let me try. Let me try. Okay, so time can never mend. Join me.
No,
Your careless whispers of a good friend to the heart and mind. Ignorance is kind. There's no comfort in the truth. Pain is the all you find. Then it
then
goes on. Yeah. So,
any question for me?
yeah, of course, of course, of course. The same question. Who are your favorite singers in English?
My favorite singers. So like I have many favorite singers, but
Okay.
still, from those, I would like to tell, I love Sia.
All right.
Her song Cheap Thrills and Titanium, and the most difficult one, Chandelier.
Yes. Chandeliers.
Yeah, Chandeliers. I also love Brian Adams. Like she's a she's a all music world for me. She means the world for me.
Okay.
Like the music world.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
I heard and love the song Everything I Do. I do it for you, and I like also love Summer of '69.
Yes.
So these are the songs, and I love Backstreet Boys. This song I Want It That Way.
Shape of my heart.
Yeah, Shape of My Heart.
As long as you love me. And then show me the meaning of pain.
Yeah, I'm actually forgetting all the
How can you forget?
name of the songs.
How can you forget? So, is there any song? Is there any song of the Backstreet Boys which you would like to sing for us? 2 or 3 lines.
I think that would be probably I Want It That.
Please do.
Way.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We'd like to hear. Come on, fast.
But you have to join me.
Yeah, so of course I'll
Not-
join. Yes, of course I'll join.
You are
You are
my fire, the one
the one.
desire, believe when I
sing
that I want it that way. So tell me why
nothing but a heartache. Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why
I never want to
hear you say I want it
that way, 'cause I want it
that
that way.
way. Okay, very good, very good, very good. And then, yes, one thing I'd like to tell all our friends that you were the one, Shomandana was the one who told me about Sia.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. And I just loved the way she sang the song, yeah, Chandeliers. I couldn't sleep for a couple of days. Yes, lovely. Next, whom do you like?
Next,
Yeah.
well, I'd probably say Howard Bam, the song Last Christmas.
Yes, of
I
course.
also liked it.
Yeah, yeah, it's an all-time
Um,
favorite song.
And wait, hold on. How can I forgot Alice?
Yeah.
Alice, when I was a little child, I used to imagine that she's my big older sister.
Sister, yeah, right, yeah, true. And I remember that you would watch her on the screen, and you would be,
That
yeah,
trying
you
to
would try
copy
to
her
copy her
and
moves, and
dancing like her, try to dance like her.
yeah, and yes, that song. What was the song?
Spanish lullaby.
Yeah, Spanish lullaby, La Isla Bonita.
La Isla Bonita.
La Isla Bonita. That was the song. Yeah,
Yeah.
used to copy her moves. Yes, as a child. So these are your favorite artists, or I mean, is there anyone else in the list? All done?
Well, let me check. Um, did I mention the name Celine Dion?
No, you didn't.
Oh, okay. She's also my favorite artist, and I loved her song "I Love You." Wait, hold on. I just mentioned the name Backstreet Boys,
Yeah.
but I didn't say the song's name, which is the way it was.
Okay.
It is the
Okay. Another
song.
another big hit.
Yeah. So again, coming back to Celine Dion. I love a song. I love you. That's the way it is. My heart will go on.
Yeah, these are very popular numbers. Okay. Yes. Then you also like Adele, no? Someone like you.
Someone like you. Hello.
Yeah. Never mind. What was the song? You remember?
Remember, but I
Never mind,
too
I'll
difficult.
find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. That's so.
Okay.
We are not prepared for this.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, all right.
I also love Shakira.
Yes, Shakira.
Entertaining.
Very, very entertaining. Even I love Shakira, and I love that
Like Waka
song,
Waka.
Waka Waka. Then Hips Don't Lie. Even that's a lovely song. All right. So, would you like to perform any song for our friends, La Isla Bonita?
La Isla Bonita.
Do you want to perform it for your friends?
Well, play the music.
Okay. So stay tuned.
Okay, so let's get started.
Okay, so Spanish lullaby for all. Please listen to it. And yes, those who have come to my channel for the first time, do subscribe and please like and share. Shumandina, say something.
What can I say?
Yeah, I mean, ask them to subscribe and.
Okay, please subscribe this channel and also click the bell icon, which I already asked you to do
that.
in the
Okay.
previous video.
Yeah, so thank you guys for the previous video. We need your support for this one. Like, share. Thank you.
Bye.